Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss different phases of Node.js event loop. So you must encountered one of these functions: set timeout, set immediate, and process dot next tick for the phases of event loop. So today I'm going to show the uh, differences between them, and also we will discuss these all functions. So for that, first we need to understand the different phases of event loop. So in event loop, these are the different phases of event to poll, check, close, callback, timer, and so on. In this video, I'm going to focus on just poll and timer phase. So, so if you will see the poll phase, all the synchronous JavaScript code is executed in the poll phase. All the synchronous code, JavaScript code executed in the poll phase. So let's understand this first. So suppose I have some synchronous code, two lines of synchronous code, consoling one and two. So these are synchronous or dependent code. So this instruction is dependent on this. That's why these are synchronous. So if I will execute this code, so it will print node test.js. So it will print one and two. So it print first one, then and two. So these two instructions are executed in the poll phase. So it will print one and then two. So now let's discuss about set timeout function. So suppose we need to discuss set timeout function. So let's modify this code. Set timeout function. So let me modify this code. Set. Suppose there is a function set timeout. Okay, and set timeout always having a callback. This one, and inside callback I'm just consoling 3, and I am consoling like this. So now we have two instructions: set timeout and set timeout and console.log 3, and this is a callback of set timeout function. You can see set timeout function always having a callback. So callback functions, as you know, is executed only after completion of a given task. So first this set timeout function will be executed, then the callback will be called. So, so what will happen is in the poll phase, so before that you have to understand the set timeout function, because it takes set timeout function takes a parameter, uh, uh, takes a callback function as a parameter. So on the poll phase always execute the synchronous JavaScript code, and that there is one more phase, timer phase. This phase execute the callback scheduled by set timeout and set interval. So now we are discussing about set timeout function. So whatever the callback will be there for the set timeout will be executed in the timer phase. So here, if you see here, so the callback of the set timeout function will be registered here. Okay. So let's understand using code. let me execute first this code. So it's printing 2 and 3. So it first print this instruction, then it prints 3. So how it happened? So in the poll phase, as soon as this instruction, these instruction will be executed, what will happen? So just forget this callback function. Okay. So as soon as these instructions will be executed, set timeout and console.log will be executed in the poll phase, and because set timeout function having the callback, so it will get registered in the timer phase. So timer phase, that function, in the timer phase this function will be executed. So in the poll phase what will happen? Just forget about callback. It will print, it will print 2 first. Okay, it will print 2 here. Now it move to the next phase check, then close callback, then that it will move to the timer phase. So once it will move to the timer phase, the callback will be executed and it will print 3. That's why you can see it's printing first this one and then it's printing 3. So this is all about the set timeout function. So I hope you understood this. So in the next video we will see set immediate function, also the other phase of the event loop, which is the check phase. So this we will discuss in next video. Thank you.